You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn how to pronounce this phrase meaning I love you in Samoan, in the Samoa. If you want to learn more names from Samoa and also more ways to say I love you in different languages, make sure to stay tuned. The pronunciation, Oute alofa iaoe. So, Oute alofa iaoe. Oute alofa iaoe. Oute alofa iaoe. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.